everyone, this is Miss Allison from the Field Library, and I will be teaching you how to make Blackout poetry. So let's get started.
Step 1. Look around your home and collect materials. For this project, you can recycle pages from old newspapers or magazines. Please make sure to ask an adult first if you can use the newspaper or magazine page before we begin crafting. Next, grab decorating supplies. This could be colored pencils, markers, crayons, or even paint. Step 2. Pick a page from the newspaper or magazine with words that you like. Once you have found this page, choose the words you want to have in your poem. So that these words stand out on the page, use a pencil or marker to put a box around the specific words that you choose. Step 3. Now that you made a box around the words you're going to use, draw a line or some sort of design connecting each box in the order of how you would like to read your poem. Step 4. It's time to decorate. Now that the words are connected and your poem is written, you can use the entire page to have fun and be creative and design your Blackout poem any way you want. You can add color and pictures that might relate to your poem, or you can just doodle. It's your poem. You can make it as detailed or as minimal as you want. It's up to you, so have fun creating something unique.
So that was the end of the tutorial. I would now like to read to you my own Blackout poem. Sunlight, air, water the key. Low light hazardous, cast a shadow. Sunlight promotes growing, roots are ready to add color. Dust off the leaves, plants need to grow. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a lot of fun making your own Blackout poetry. Check back at this channel to see more fun programs, and thanks for watching. Bye!